What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today, as you can see, I have a case from Zagg. This is the Bridgetown Slim Edge because I had a case like this from Rinky and it broke in the middle. So we'll see how this does, but this is a two-part case for right now, and you do have adhesive, some adhesive there, stickers to pull off like so. So this can stick to your Z Fold 6. So now we're just going to put the Z Fold 6 in. And another thing is some of these cases that come like this usually do not do well with screen protectors. So I'm going to try this out real quick. Let me pick up my Z Fold 6. Let's place it in like so. Because I'm having a hard time finding some nice cases that are a whole case that won't break on me for the Z Fold 6. Because I have the Rinky case, the Rinky clear case, and it broke on me. The that little edge broke, and I was not a fan of that. So I had to try to get a different case. But I don't know. This looks like this is a lot thicker than what I've seen. So we'll see how well this case goes. And another thing that I can already say that I like about this case is that this has access to where you can rock a screen protector with this because it is not touching the edges of the case. And the Rinky one that I had, it would lift up my screen protector, and I did not care for that. But so far, this one looks like this might be a good case. It better be for $69.99. This is what you're gonna get when you open up the your Z Fold 6. You do get some lip around here, but I wouldn't place this down flat open. If you're gonna place your phone down flat, I recommend you just place it down flat closed. It doesn't add too much weight to the device. It's light. This is a light case. I just like that it has that big lip around the edges and that it doesn't interfere with the screen protector. And I like how this the edge of this is a lot thicker than the one on the Rinky case, because this looks like this may not break on me. The one on the Rinky case was built a little flimsy, but this should be okay since this case costs you so much money. And then coming around to this side, you get some little ridges for grip protection. You get your volume up and down button, no problem. You get access to your power button and your fingerprint scanner with no problem there. And that's important. You keep pulling this out of your pocket. You want to make sure you get easy access to being able to use this with no problem. Works just fine. It looks good. This is your cutouts at the bottom, your cutouts at the top there. You get a nice cutout for your camera, so if you place your phone flat down on the table, you should be good to go. Overall, I'm liking this case so far. It looks good. The only downfall about this case that I can already say is I wish it had a MagSafe ring on the back so I could use my MagSafe stand, so I can use it as a kickstand. But I may have to go online and order me some MagSafe stickers so I can put that on the back, because I've gotten used to having a MagSafe ring on my iPhone and a MagSafe ring on the Pataka case that I was using with this phone. And that's something that I am going to miss. But overall, this looks good. This looks like this is going to be the case for you if you want a clear case that's going to give you some nice protection. It still shows off the color of your phone. Like I said, I'm a sucker for a clear case. You get some good protection, eggs protection on the inside. You get some good eggs protection around the edges. You just throw a screen protector on here and you will be good to go. I hope you found this video helpful. Like I said, I'll make sure I drop a link in the description. And I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.